What's up YouTube? So, why have I decided to create a channel on YouTube and post my first video? Find out in just a few seconds. My name is Dave and welcome back to my channel, Seen Through a Lens. So why have I decided to post my first video on YouTube? Well, actually it was 11 years ago that I posted my first video, and here it is. That was my daughter learning to ride her bike for the first time without stabilizers. Pretty basic, as you can see from the camera quality, but luckily all done in the first cut. So fast forward 11 years and here I am again. Why so long? Well, I guess as time has gone by, I've had so many experiences in life and I'm passionate about so much. I decided that I would share it with you, the good folks of YouTube. So, first videos are meant to be a little bit cringy, so I'll try not to disappoint there. Now then, what do I want to talk about? Well, I have a passion for travel, cars, watches, fitness and technology. So a one-stop shop for vlogs, reviews and a general outlook on life and lifestyle, all seen through a lens. I plan to post at least one video a week, the next one either being a watch review or a car review or maybe something else. So join me on this late life adventure, post some comments below and tell me your interests and what you'd like to hear about. And please like this video and give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.